Hey Blake, I have a question for you. What are the right-click options with Unity Client?
Hey, I'd love to answer that. Let me go ahead and share my screen. The right-click functionality found within the Unity client is similar to many other right-click functions you've seen before, providing you quick access to tools that you will need. Let's look, for example, upon launch of the Unity client, we can see that we are on our personal page with different tiles. If I right-click on the tile, you can find quick access to customization options for these tiles, such as deleting them, renaming them, or changing their color. Another example of right-click functions is if we go find our work view objects. In this case, we'll look at a list of all employees. If I select on this list and right-click, we can delete the selected object, we can create a new object, and we can also open that object to view their information. And in the event that you want to do something like print or export this list, you can always find those here as well. Where the right-click function really shines within the Unity client is in a document retrieval. So let's quickly run a search. In this case, we'll look at accounts payable, vendor invoices, and all vendor invoices from the year 2019. Go ahead and search for that. And here we have 4 documents. So if I select one of these and right-click, you'll see a whole lot of right-click functions. Some ones to point out are keywords. This will bring up all associated keywords with the document for you to view easily. Another important thing is if you were to print, and something like history exists as well, where you can see what has occurred within this document and any workflow cues that it might be a part of. Another aspect of the right-click is the properties pane. This gives you important information like the document date, the date it was stored, its document type, also information like the disk group, the volume, the file format, file size, and the file path. We can also on the properties pane find the document retention. This will show us if there's been a document retention plan configured for the document. In this case, no. If there was, upon the right-click, we can find the document retention. Here we can exclude a document from document retention or remove a prior set exclusion. And something else to list on the right-click functions is the delete document shortcut. Simply selecting this, confirming that deletion would delete that document. It's also important to note that the right-click functions can easily be found on the ribbon, in this case for documents on the document tab, but the right-click serves as a quick way to find all these tools and use them.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. If you have a question that you would like answered on an upcoming question corner, please leave a comment below.